Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the time on the Whirlpool washer and dryer. And this model number is, first thing you got to do, you got to power it on. Then you got to go to settings and scroll up to preference, select time and date, and hit select time. And let's say we're going to set it 10 o'clock. And hit set. That's all to it. It's real easy, real simple, guys. And then you just go back to your home. Okay. As for the dryers, same thing. Select settings. And scroll up to preference. Select time and date. Select time. And hit the time. Enter the time that you want. Select time. And that's it. Select home. That's all to it, guys. And this model number is... Thanks for watching, guys.